Good morning, everyone, and good night. No, I'm just kidding, but in reality, in this video here, this was the last one for me. I'd been up all night, as you guys saw in the video. I cleared the big one all night long, got it opened up after the Buckeyes game, got the mobile home park opened up, and then TQ was coming out, so I told her, hey, let's go ahead and get the storage facility open. If you don't know, we own this facility. Let's get it open, get it sorted for our customers, and then I'm going to go take a nap, and she's going to continue on.
Alright guys, so it's early in the morning. Sean had already come out and did the plowing. At that point, it was still just hammering down the snow. And I am out here just putting some salt down to get a little bit of burn off. A bit later, once we're all rested up, I am getting a good burn off here in the main areas. It's just a light crew today, but I want to make sure that the docks are all cleared up. That way trucks don't get stuck. But the storm's it's still coming, it's still snowing, so we're gonna keep working at it. Alright, so I just got done here with the mobile park. Like I stated earlier, Sean had gone out earlier and opened up a lot of the places that we're going to be opening up and stuff like that, but it's still snowing. I think it's projected to stop around 9 a.m. It's a light snow right now, but we're out here just doing what we're doing and getting things salted up. We're definitely gonna have to come back out with some cleanup and stuff, but this is a never-ending battle at the moment, so
Alright guys, so left the edge so we can grab it once she gets this all cleaned off here. I'm gonna switch out with her so she can warm up, and then I'll do the rest of the walkways. I'm gonna grab the GoPro down here as well. Right there. Ooh, shaky. somebody had left a comment about pushing the snow into the fence, which we don't typically try to do that. There are stoppers there. That's where we normally run it up to, and then we lift a little bit. But as you can see there, it's inevitable when you're stacking snow, it's going to fall and then obviously fall through the fence. So we have to shovel that out by hand. The blower's not going to move it, but that's definitely a good tip. You don't want to push into the fence.
Need a little warm up.
Huh? Oh, I'm fine. Beats better than shoveling it. I'm gonna need a good shower after this one. Whew. All right, so got a little power nap in. TQ's been out since I came in, and yeah, most of this stuff isn't open. Like this company here, they're not open right now, but they will be open. Anyone want to be my full-time cameraman? So pull the snow where you want it. I got it all down here. Still got a couple more passes right here. And then swing around, ease into your pile, and shove it where you want it to go. All right, guys, pulled everything out to the edge. Wanted to show you this real quick. GoPro went dead on me. I literally started walking this way and it was like off. Anyways, if you have semi trucks, to get up in there to their fifth wheel right there, boom, for them to be able to have access without any hiccups, piles here, anything like that, that's super phenomenal. So just threw that blade up under there a little bit, made sure we didn't hit the mirror off the top. Right there, you can see, let me line up here straight with that one. Boom. You can see I got up under there solid 3 feet. So that'll make that really nice. Got everything drug out to the edge. And now I'm just gonna spin around and push that last little bit out. TQ did show up. She's working on the front. Still snowing a little bit. It should be out of here pretty soon.